This customer called and asked to get his home siding cleaned. He said that he's putting the house up for sale and he wants to get the house all ready to be sold. I was so excited that I got the call that I didn't even think. I just booked it for Sunday. I'm doing some TikTok lives and I thought that this would be a perfect house to do on a TikTok live. And I usually try to do my TikTok lives on Sunday. So he agreed. And then the day got closer and I realized I made a huge mistake. I accidentally booked this for Mother's Day. So I had to talk with the missus and kind of smooth things over with her. And I promised to make her her favorite dinner. I made her salmon with some homemade bang bang sauce, seasoned rice, cucumbers and vinegar, and sliced avocados. It was phenomenal. I wish I could take a picture and put it up here, but I forgot to take a picture. Back to the house. I got to the house. He said, I apologize that, I'm doing this on Mother's Day. He said, did you want to reschedule? I said, no, it's only going to take me about an hour or so. And he was kind of shocked at that. He thought it was going to take me a lot longer, but I told him, soft washing doesn't take too long. He was used to people pressure washing the houses and, going inch by inch across the entire thing and it taking a long time. So yeah, like I said, he was getting the house ready to sell. And I think it was one of those things where I saw that he had put down some mulch and he was getting a couple other things ready on the house. And I think it's one of those things it's like when you sell a car and you get it all clean and you're like, man, this is a really nice car. And you're just getting it prepared to sell, but you kind of re-fall in love with it. I think that's kind of what's happening here too, because I think he's getting a lot of things done. And he said, oh yeah, I was thinking about selling it, maybe this year, next year. And he seemed like he was doing it with that intent, but then is kind of backing away from the idea. Maybe he's actually liking the house again after doing a lot of the repairs. But either way, this took about an hour to do, a little under an hour, and it came out great. I had some other footage, but it got ruined. So we only have this one shot, this one transformation. I couldn't get all the other sides. It was really bad. But either way, drop a like in this video and comment below, would you have worked on Mother's Day? Make sure you don't forget to subscribe if you want more content like this.